Okay, I'm gonna make the hosomaki. Firstly, I'll make the avocado hosomaki. For the hosomaki, we have to take normally it's a 60 to 70 gram rice, not more than 70, maximum 70. In the nori, we have two parts. One is the smooth and plain part, and another part is the lining part. You can see the line. We have to use rice always in this side. And let's make the hosomaki, yeah? In the 60 gram rice. I'm adding a little bit. Yeah, you are. Okay, I don't a bit scratch here, no problem. You cannot put for the hosomaki. Put one finger, at least one finger this side, and one finger here. I'll make avocado, and I saw lots of people are curious about how to open avocado for the sushi like this. Yeah, this is the avocado. Look here, okay. Now make this. For this, you can take out this part like this, okay. People curious about how to open avocado for the sushi market. Okay, I'll start these ones because I'm making the Hosomaki avocado. I'll put here black and white mixed sesame, okay, because it will be a crunchy. Now it's time to close. Yes. Now here in this side, this is the closing part, so you can put a little bit of water so it will be a closed properly. Now turn one time and turn this pan and put it with this one. And now our hosomaki is ready. You cannot press too much because it will be the rice will be a chewy, and in the eating time it will be a hard. I'll cut, let's see. I'll cut this side a little bit so it will be look like very good and nice. We have to cut this in the 3 pieces. Yeah? In Europe we cut in the 4 pieces, but in Japan they use for the 3 pieces. Let's see. Now our hosomaki is ready. As you can see, it should be in the middle. So when you saw the hosomaki, okay, let's eat. We have to think, let's eat. Now I will make the hosomaki of the salmon. Okay. In the mat, I didn't forget. This side you have to put roll, and this side always you have to use in your finger sides. Yeah, this ones and this one's in the for the roll. So let's make the hosomaki. I'll put here one finger. The rice should be all the equal and quantity, not a messy, too much messy. Now I'll put here in the salmon, okay. And the rice we have to put 60 to 70 gram, and salmon maximum 50 gram. Because of the cost management, we have to put not less than 40 gram salmon. Yeah, you can put salmon 40 to 50 gram. This is the Hosomaki salmon. Let's cut the Hosomaki salmon, okay. Now this is the Hosomaki salmon, okay. The salmon should be in the middle, and the rice should not be very messy because it will be chewy. Okay. Finally, I make the Hosomaki salmon and Hosomaki avocado. Okay.